Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on the pie chart report item. A pie chart allows you to showcase the proportionality of multiple items to a total in the form of pie slices. In this video, we will see how to add the pie chart report item to a report and how to change its properties. First, create a new report. Create a new report and name it pie chart report. You can see how to create your first report in another video. I have provided a link to it in this video's description for your convenience. Second, create a dataset to assign the data in the chart. Create a new data source, name it usage details using the JSON data connector. And click the connect button to create a new dataset. Create another new dataset, name it usage dataset. And click the Finish button. The dataset will be created. I have provided the video link for creating data sources and datasets using the JSON data connector, and the link for the JSON query in the video's description. Now, let's add the pie chart report item to the report. Drag and drop the pie chart report item from the item panel to the designer surface. You can also add the pie chart report item by right-clicking the design area and then clicking Insert from the context menu. The list of report items that can be added will be displayed in the context menu. You can add the pie chart report item by selecting Chart and then Pie in the list displayed. You will see the properties for the pie chart report item displayed. Since we can assign any value from the database to the pie chart report item, the Data tab is enabled. The Name field contains the name of the pie chart report item. The properties for the pie chart report item are divided into 10 categories, based on usage. You can also change the size of the pie chart report item by extending the corners or dragging the points at the center. I resize the pie chart according to my requirement. Now, let's assign the data to the pie chart. To assign the data, click Data in the Properties panel. In the Data panel, you will see the fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, then you can change the dataset using the drop-down. The numeric columns and numeric expressions are listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types of expressions and the dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag and drop the usage field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the settings icon. The context menu will be displayed by clicking the aggregate option. The list of aggregate methods will be displayed. You can also change the aggregate function using an expression by selecting the expression option. The expression dialog will be displayed. Click the Preview button. You can see the pie chart with the sum of the usage values. Click the Design button. I drag and drop the browser name field from the Dimensions section to the Column section. While assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the design area. In Preview, the usage of each browser is measured against the total usage. Now, let's format the pie chart. Click Properties, and the Property panel will be displayed. In the Basic Settings section, click the icon next to Choose Series. In the Basic Settings, click Enable Smart Label. In the Data Label settings, enable Show Data Label. The labels are displayed in the pie chart. Click the Back button. Under the Appearance category, change the border style to double. Color to black. And the thickness of the border to 1.833. In the Chart Area category, change the Chart Palette property to Pacific. Under the Title category, enter the title text value mobile browser usage statistics. And the title changes accordingly. Under the Node Data category, enter the message value as node data to display. Under the Page Break category, enable the page number reset property. Under the Miscellaneous category, set the tooltip value as mobile browser usage statistics chart. Click the Preview button. You will see the pie chart report item. While hovering over the pie chart, you will see that the text in the tooltip property is displayed. In this video, we saw how to add the pie chart report item to the Report Designer control, and how it renders in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. We will be publishing another video soon, to explain the properties of the chart report item further. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.